Hello, this kitchen is made of red and black chipboard. As you can see, it's high gloss chipboard. The worktop and wall panel is made of Techni stone. This is a long-term material, non-absorbent and easy to clean. Here you can see the sink, it's under mount. In this cabinet, revolving shelves with carousel fittings. There are different mechanisms built in the base cabinets. Here the drawers with double sides, integrated drawer for cutlery tray. These drawers are very big and high load capacity. Here the basket for food or drinks. The wall cabinets here are very simple and elegant. The box with doors with colored glass, black colored glass. Here shelves from black chipboard. LED lighting highlights the straight lines. Via the breakfast bar, the kitchen enters into your living room and makes it a classy backdrop for every individual lifestyle.